Well, guys, we're finally going riding. This was a last second trip. I was sitting around last night. I saw where there's a new track about an hour away, a little place called I-64 in X. I saw where it had practice yesterday, and it's just a little small fairgrounds track. No elevation changes or anything, but the dirt looked pretty good. Looked like it rutted up great, so we're gonna go check it out today. Practice 10 to 4. I've started up my bikes once over this winter. I haven't rode them. I did an air filter. Besides that, I haven't done any servicing. So I'm gonna, like I said, it's a last second thing. I'm gonna check my tire pressures and a few other things. There's a 450 right there. Check my tire pressures, a few other quick things. Make sure I'm good on oil and coolant, and I'm gonna go ride it today and see how it does. It'll be the first ride with the new graphics on. My buddy John's coming with me. This is 450 over here. Now, it's been started up a couple times this winter. It hasn't been ridden since last summer. So, should be pretty interesting, to say the least. So, get this stuff checked. Let's go ride. I rode with this like this most of last summer because I just kept forgetting to put a bolt in right here. That's sad, isn't it?
You better get a picture of this because you don't know when to fuck.
I know, this is never going to happen again. It's the one time it comes out of retirement. Don't mess up.
your opinion on the track, John?
For a local track, middle of Grayson, Kentucky, not bad. The dirt's good.
You don't think it's kind of small?
Well, yeah, it's a fair track. All fair tracks are small.
You don't think some of the whoops and some of the rhythms are a
There's
little
two sections
steep?
that I don't like.
Okay.
One is a whoop section that never belongs on any outdoor track, period. And the other is a six-pack, I guess you would call it.
Six-pack. The only six-pack you've seen in a while, huh?
Yeah. So the six-pack they have, they're spread about 2 foot apart, and they're peaked like Mount Everest. And besides that, the rest of the jumps are halfway cool.
You have a camera. You have a camera.
It's got to go back farther than that.
Stop.
Whoa!
Stop. Give it a Johnsonville sausage.
Suck my fucking dick, both
So you want my verdict?
Do what?
My verdict is
Oh. What do you think
you
about?
can also move it if you need to. Face it the direction you need and it'll stay there.
So what do you think about I-64 MX?
If I lived within 500 nautical feet, it'd be a nice little practice track. Nah, the dirt was pretty solid. The design needs a little work, but the dirt was good. Yeah, so I don't know. I don't think I'll be making any more hour-and-a-half drives here. But
Right.
it's nice to say I checked it out.
Yeah.
Bathrooms for an hour and a half drive.
Oh,
Chris,
yeah, no bad.
Krista, what do you think about I-64 MX?
No bathrooms. Down, thumbs down for me.